Hey, I'm here with another wig review for you. So this is a Paula Young lace front. The style is HANSON, and the color is the 1426 color. I'll be showing you an unboxing. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Beth. I own Beth's Wig Boutique here in Massachusetts. I am not an authorized retailer of Paula Young, but I do like to give you guys my honest opinions. So my favorite Paula Young wig is right here. This is Dallas, and this one is in the color 2414, which is like a mocha frost. I have modified every Dallas I get with a little bit of root spray to make it look more natural, and I always cut in a wispy little bang because it just looks better on me. So that's my favorite, but let's get on to the unboxing. Let's get on to the unboxing of the Paula Young style HANSON. So you open the box, there is a tag, there is the assorted paper. I was like, where's the tag that says shake it is in there. It's got the silicone pack. It comes with a wig cap, and that's used for hygiene, for trying on the wig. So obviously, if you plan on keeping it, don't modify it in any way, shape, or form. This one came fully netted. Ooh, take that off. So here's the inside of the cap. It has a beyond temple to temple lace front there, which that's always good because it has a smoother transition, not such a harsh line. It has an open wefted stretchy cap. It has closed ear tabs. This is an extended open nape with Velcro adjusters. So let's put it on without shaking it or doing anything to it so we can see what it looks like out of the box. So here's HANSON right out of the box. So it does have some flippies. The part is zigzaggy. It's a little heavy towards the front. But you pull it back and it has a really nice lace front. And again, it goes just a little bit beyond the temple to right about here. It mostly covers my sideburns. I could easily transition that with my own hair if I wanted it to blend in better, and a little bit of makeup or powder just to lighten that. So if you pulled the front back, you could really pull it back quite a bit and have it look super cute. All right, let's dig into this one. So we're going to take it and shake it, which is what they recommend you do to loosen the fibers, liven up the style. So we'll give that a shot here. I think I want to part it over here. So you can get a little bit of height and volume on it, as you just saw, and you can kind of deconstruct this for a fuller, wispier look. Some people don't like it full though, so I usually just take my fingers and kind of do a downward pulling motion just to get it to calm down a little bit. This one's super cute. I actually like it better than I thought I would. So at the time, someone purchased this wig and sent it to me for a review, said I could share it with you guys. Super generous, and I always appreciate that from people. So at the time of this purchase, this wig was $49.99, I believe. The fit on this one is average, and it has stretch. I do think it could go larger or smaller and accommodate. It feels pretty good on my head. And again, parting is super easy on this one, so you could part it either way and have it look just great. I love versatility in my styles. I don't want to walk out the door looking the same every day. So I truly appreciate a super easy, versatile style. And this one ticks the boxes on that, right? This one kind of feels to me like an upgraded Dallas with a little bit of something extra. It's got a little more wave than Dallas does, but it's similar in length and similar in style. So maybe that's why I like it better than I thought I would. But adorable, adorable. So I think it's worth it. I really do. So if you can get this one for, say, 60 or less, in my opinion, because again, you've got that gorgeous lace front on this one, which is nice. And it's a little bit of a more budget-friendly lace front. And you guys know I'm all about the budget. I'm all about thrift. Super cute. See how easy that was? You can do an ear tuck on this one if on the side that you've got it parted on. It's a little bit harder to do with the ear tuck on this side because of the volume of hair. I guess if I had it parted down the middle, and again, just finger combing, right? Finger combing, you can do a middle part. You can have the hair kind of brushing your face. You can have it going back. Super versatile little wig, which is great. Little dry shampoo on this, and it would be fantastic. So with a little bit of effort, I can get an ear tuck on there if it's parted down the middle on both sides. This one would be a cute headband wig too. And you guys know me, I have headbands everywhere. So let's give it a look-see. Do have to pull out some of the hair just to cover my sideburns, but you can put this one up and still have it be super cute, right? Adorable. So yeah, I really like this one. So I hope that this review was helpful to you guys to be able to see the style and know what's here. It feels like super light on my head. It doesn't feel heavy. You can get fullness, but it's not a tremendous density of hair. Some people might feel they need to thin it if they are used to a lesser volume. I do believe you could do this with this style and have it come out super cute. I have an online wig boutique. You can find the details for that below, as well as a private online Facebook group. Helpful, caring, kind, generous, loving people in that group. So you can find the details for that below as well. And you guys, if you join my group, you get perks like insider VIP information, notification of the live sales, extra discounts that you don't see in the online store. So be sure to follow. Also follow me on Facebook. Hit the like and subscribe button down the bottom if you like the reviews. I give my honest opinion, and although I'm not a retailer for Paula Young, they are here in Massachusetts, so I'm able to have easy access to their products, and I like to help people find budget-friendly options amongst all brands. So even though I can't supply you with this wig, I wanted to do an honest review about the product. I really, really like it. I might have to get one now for me, maybe in a little different color. So I hope you enjoyed it here. I will see you for my next wig review. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye now.